Group directives drive the committee forward. They are what is usually debated in committee as a response to the crisis update. They are usually formed by an individual or two and then passed around committee during debates for people to sign on to. The dais will specify how many sponsors and signatories are needed for a vote on the directive. An important note is that group directives are not like the typical resolutions seen in GAs. In GAs, you spend the entirety of a committee working towards a final goal of a resolution as a solution to the problems the assembly faces. In crisis, directives are more frequent in responses to the crisis updates. They are quick, informal, usually bulleted solutions that use the committee's total power to try to respond to the problem introduced by the crisis updates or to further the committee's power. Usually these are performed and passed or denied quickly by the body as a whole. The crisis staff will then look at the directives passed and inform the committee in the next update on the effect of these directives on the given status of the world. A great group directive will be specific and address the events happening in committee. It is important to pass these quickly. This group directive is specific and it addresses the previous crisis update by sending troops to the threatened border.